What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Skiwithaneye coming to you with another video. Okay, y'all, so I am so excited about today. I have just gotten off from work, y'all, and let me tell you, it wasn't a stressful day, but your girl would love it if she can go to a spa, a sauna, or something, okay? Just to kind of decompress from the day. Does anybody else feel the same way? Like when you get home from work, don't you just want to kind of decompress? Alright, so what I have in mind to do is kind of have my own little spa going on. You know, I'm just going to take a shower and relax my mind. I already lit my candle over there. Kind of got my vibes going. And by the way, I do not own this music. If you do hear music in the background, I do not own this music. I have no rights to it, okay? But yeah, so I'm ready to decompress. And what I kind of just want to focus on is the face, you know. I want to go ahead and just help you decompress from your workday, okay? So stay tuned to the how to decompress. Yes. Okay, so first what you want to do is actually straighten up your room. Trust me. When you allow your room to be straightened up, it definitely makes a difference. I know myself, sometimes my room looks crazy when I'm done getting dressed for the day, and so this is definitely a great thing to do first. Also, y'all, I am still working on the decor for my room. I will be making videos about that coming soon. So now what you're going to want to do is actually have your candle. Go ahead and light your vibe, light your favorite candle so that sweet aroma is in there. My candle got bright. Then play, of course, your favorite tunes. I love this song here, Pretty Ugly by Tierra Whack. She is awesome. Then, of course, the fastest way to decompress is a nice hot shower. Can never go wrong. Okay, so now it's time for the facial, and I am using the Nana Coco Professional Peel Off Glow Mask. Talk about a serious glow, ladies. OMG, I had a ball doing this. So, of course, you just want to make sure the package is actually open before you try to squeeze it on out of there. You only need about 2 dimes, I would say, for the amount of facial mask. Do the first layer, it's going to be kind of thin. Do the first layer, get that on there, and then go back for just a little bit more. And I think low-key, I really wanted that golden glow. It was just so pretty. So go back with another layer just to make sure it's really covering the area that you desire. Yep, underneath the eyes, just all over except for your brows and your hairline. Okay. Now we wait. And this is the fun part. It takes about 20-30 minutes to let it dry on your face. Then you're going to want to just look at the pretty glow, okay? Look at that. I mean, the camera actually didn't do it justice because it was just sparkling. It looked like the bomb highlighter all over my face. Tea time. Of course, you gotta let your water boil for your tea to just soothe everything. I'm actually going to be using some throat coat. That's the type of tea that I was using. And in this flawless mug. Now, of course, you're going to want to either have an awesome book, your journal, or your planner. Now, this is the fun part. This is like your true quiet time while you have your facial mask on, you're feeling refreshed, And actually, this is really the best time to write in your journal because so many things are just going to flow out. You're going to feel so grateful for your day. And yeah, just enjoy.
5 minutes later.
So just to be clear, it was about 20-30 minutes I had this on. And now, of course, all you're going to do is just pull it off. This is really interesting. It's like you're just pulling away all the stress, pulling all the detoxes, well, not the detoxes, but the toxins out of your skin, and just experiencing this beautiful glow, smooth, and it's super funny. Then you're going to want to use a warm washcloth and just allow it to sit on your face and allow your pores to be open. Well, they're already open, but just allow that heated washcloth to just sit right there. And then apply your moisturizer. The one that I'm using is the Palmer's facial cream, and it's for fading. It's perfect. I love it. And one last thing, your lip balm. Okay? Burt's Bees, mint cocoa, love it. And we're done. Okay, lovies, so this is it. I know you can tell your girl is in a whole another zone right now. I hope you all truly enjoyed this video. These are the steps that I like to follow. Of course, I understand life happens, so you may not be able to incorporate this every single day. I could get off from work, but I'm telling you, if you are, you will feel so much better. But maybe you can just start incorporating it maybe a couple times a week. So definitely make sure if your room is anything or if your place is anything like mine, right before I go to work, it looks like a tornado has hit it. Some days is better than others, but today it looked like a tornado had hit it. Just make sure you straighten up, you know, light your candles, get those good vibes, those good aromas in there. Turn on your favorite tunes. It could be soothing jazz. It could be something that's just going to keep you just in your zone. And then also refresh, just decompress in the shower. I'm telling you, it's nothing like a hot shower that really just allows your mind to relax and also your muscles to relax. Also, after that, definitely make sure you make your tea. Give yourself an at-home facial and just enjoy your moment. You can prepare, maybe make your list of the next top 3 things you need to do for the next day, writing your journal, reflecting from the day, and then just make sure you pull up a great book to read. Like this here, I recommend this book here. It is The Purpose-Driven Life. I know maybe some of you have read it already. If not, go out and get your copy. It's best to actually read it with a partner. I haven't been reading it with a partner. Definitely just make sure that you get this book. Make sure you read it. It's by Rick Warren. He's amazing. You can look him up on YouTube. He's awesome. He has this book here. He also has The Purpose-Driven Life for Churches as well, because he's a pastor. But I definitely recommend this book. It makes me cry, because you know, it just always touches me because I feel God so strongly in this book. And then sometimes it just shows me how I need to just realign myself with certain things that God is expecting of me. So definitely check it out. If you guys have any other book requests, or if you have any books that you would love to recommend, you know, that helps us just decompress and kind of stay in the right mindset, drop them down below in the comment section. I would love to check them all out. Thank you all again. Your girl has her tea here, feeling flawless. And I'm super excited, and I don't know if you can tell, but I am really like in a whole nother zone right now. So definitely make sure that you journal, reflect on your day, read a great book, enjoy something warm, tea, coffee, I don't know, whatever you prefer, or if you just prefer a nice glass of ice cold water, I mean, hey, can't go wrong with that. So definitely thank you, dolls, again for staying tuned in. I love you all so much. I appreciate all your comments and your likes and your shares, and I thank you all so much for supporting your girl. So I hope that you continue every single day to pray and slay every single day. This is your girl Skiwithaneye. You can call me Slay, and I will see you all in the next video. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red button down there. All right, dolls. Later.